Weather situations, especially the free automatic activated to warn of a pending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon.
Oh no.
Tests will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm will be activated for watches, warnings, and selected statements affecting specific...
They're having microphone problems.
Coverage areas, please check our webpage. Receipt of the warning alarm will vary at any given location.
Hey, at least all the WR100s went off.
This alarm concludes.
Oh no.
This is a summary of hazardous weather for the southeast Minnesota and extreme western Wisconsin listening area. A river flood warning continues from the Mississippi River at Lansing. The river has crested, but remains near or above flood stage. For more information, go to weather.gov/lacrosse.
Oh my god, I forgot to show this thing.
For Rochester and southeast.
Right.
The National Weather Service in Chanhassen, Minnesota has just activated the warning alarm on 14 more weather radio stations across central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. During dangerous weather situations, these specially built radios are automatically activated to warn for the hazard. Tests of these radios are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 9 p.m. If severe weather threatens the area with a normal test time, the test will be postponed until the next good weather day. The warning alarm will be activated for selected watches, warnings, and statements affecting central and southern Minnesota and west central Wisconsin. This concludes the test of the main system. We will now return to normal programming. Southeastern Hennepin County, northwestern Dakota County, southwestern Ramsey County, until 3:45 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Minneapolis, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar indicating threat. The following effects are expected.
Right as I was just about to plan to go to the beach. Car guy.